Yo, what's up guys? Hope you guys are doing well. I'm just ranting pretty much on this video. I'm just a Tesla fan, really. I don't even have the damn car, but I'm just a huge Elon fan. I got so obsessed with Elon that I started buying like 3 stocks pretty much. This is my first time ever buying any stock. So I bought the first stock at $249, right? That was the first time I bought that, and I was super excited. Then suddenly, I don't know what happened. I mean, you can see it the last 6 months. Suddenly, the stock dropped like hot cupcake. I mean, this is where I got it. I mean, look at it. At one point in 2018, it was at 365. Right now, it's at 196. Now, obviously, that did not discourage me. I love Tesla, right? Whether I have the car or not, that does not matter. I'm more invested in the future of electric cars and all this, new invention Elon is coming up with and just dominating this new market. If it's not dominating, at least he's putting his fingers in it. So he's giving the competitors a little bit of a tickle. Now, since I got this stock, right, from 245 and the stock was dropping down, I'm like, oh my God, what's going on, right? I'm not used to this stuff. And I will come on Google, put in Tesla stocks, and I'll just keep seeing it dropping every single day. I'm like, what in the world is going on? There's one thing that always happens in Google, right? It's a positive thing, yet it's being misused in my opinion. The top story here tends to be negative, like almost every single day. Now, first of all, today it's positive, so the stock is going up. I'm super happy about that. Let's look at the past day pretty much, or past 5 days. So yeah, it's starting to go up. So from 188, now we are at 196. And I have a feeling we're almost close to the Q2. And I believe the Q2, Tesla's loss should not be as heavy compared to the Q1. And I'm really hoping they either hit a break-even point or make even $1 in profit, right? This fucking story is here, right, on Google. By the way, I'll be cursing a lot. If you don't like that, you should probably leave. But this top story is here, like every fucking day is just negative after negative. I'm like, yo, this nigga is trying to change the future, right? And you have all this like negative stories. I mean, look at this one here. Star says defect in his Tesla Model 3 led to his car wreck. I'm like, who the fuck is Aladdin? I think this happened in 2018. Why in the fucking world are they keep bringing up shit that happens in 2018? I mean, it could be actually, from 2017. Who knows? But they love bringing up all this like negative stories. I mean, this is by far the most positive story that I've seen so far. At least the the thumbnail here, Tesla outpacing its electric car competitors. Duh, you fuckhead. They've been doing that for the past couple of years now. And yeah, I mean, every time I see this news outlet, I feel like there's just so much negative stories. If you type in on Google like Tesla stocks or even Tesla, says the first 3 spots here are dedicated to a written story. I mean, it would be nice if there's I know a lot of the YouTube communities are video based, right? A lot of Tesla fans, but it would be nice to see a huge fan base of Tesla riders. Imagine that, right? I have a feeling it's really gonna dominate this couple spots here. And CNBC, Business Insider, it's going to be very challenging for them to get in these spots here. Because all they're aiming for really is a click-through, right? For you to click it and have that little mini heart attack. I do not like them. I mean, gee, every single day, I feel like there's just rows of riders just trying to suck Elon's thumb, man. I'm not going to say the D word. They're just trying to suck Elon's thumb. Leave the nigga alone, right? Let him invent, and yes, he's gonna say some reckless stuff, but who cares? That's why we love the guy, right? But yeah, that's what I thought. I just thought if we just have a lot of Tesla fans who are authors or who are bloggers that could write stories, I really do think is going to influence the top spot on this top stories. What do you guys think? Like I said, I'm just ranting. I do not like this crackheads here. Maybe I have I'm a shareholder of Tesla, so maybe that's why I really don't like them. And I just generally don't like when someone starts to do something positive and all these people just trying to put it down, right? This is just not fun. Anyway, that's all for me. It's just my quick rant. If you like it, I guess like it. I'm not sure if you're gonna like my rants, but that's all for me, and I'll see you in the next one.